We did one other one like this. I can't remember where it was.
It's the one in Alpine.
Oh, okay. Is this going to be another one where I have to put it in? Put it in neutral, right?
Mm-hmm.
Usually there's somebody there. I'm not in the right spot, am I?
No, you're not. You need to back it. Look at the mirror.
Oh, okay. Line tire. I saw the space for the tire and I figured, it's still not right. Not straight. That's what's wrong.
There you go.
Stop. Neutral. You have to be up a little further. I don't know.
No. Just get your foot off brake.
Yeah, it's off. Oh, I see the mirror. That's good. I never noticed it before.
They redid this because the signs in the front are different.
Wheel blaster.
And you still got the undercarriage.
Underbody, okay. It's just that it looks like I don't know where. That's what you need to get in the winter, I guess.
Yeah.
In the summer, the cheap ones, but I think. That's weird.
What that says?
It's hard to read through this stuff. Triple color, I think it says. Triple color. Oh, that. Okay.
I wouldn't be. Yeah, that might be what it says.
I think it is.
God, it smells fruity.
It does. Like the stuff in Coopersville is like those triple colors, but it's all at once. Like the name.
Yeah.
They got a lot of dryers. Look at them all.
Yeah.
The whole car is just... If you're going to go more than once a month, that's a good deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at Rob Lee.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks a lot better than what it was.
No, it's gross. It won't last, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's best to not let it accumulate.
Salt's not good for the finish.
Oh, yeah, you see the car behind us getting washed.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, I think you're good. You're good to put it in neutral.
Or drive.
Yeah. You don't have to hit the brake to shift from neutral to drive.